Hello, welcome to Writer's Workshop. On our last lesson, we talked about persuasive writing or writing for a reason, which is the unit we're working on this month. And we made a list of some things that we might like to write about. Well, today we're going to step away kind of from some of those ideas that we came up with, and we're going to think of something else. So sometimes when we do persuasive writing, we look at problems in our society or maybe in our community. So our community would be the school or the classroom. And if you're at home, you may have a neighborhood that you live in, or maybe even in your own home, you have an issue. So what I want you to think about today is something that you see as a problem, and I want you to come up with a solution. So one of the problems we have at school, especially in our classroom, is that people, when they go to the bathroom, they always leave the light switch on. So one form of persuasive writing is very simple. It can be a poster, and I'm just going to make a poster today, that says, "Turn the light off." That is a problem in our classroom, and I want to come up with a solution to the problem, which is just to tell people to turn the light off. First of all, we have a light in the classroom bathroom that has a fan attached to it. So when they leave the light on, the fan runs and it's really loud, and it's right by my desk and it's very distracting. And I really don't like it left on. Plus, as you may or may not know, when you leave the lights on, you are using energy, and it just wastes all that energy if that fan and that light are just left on all day. So I'm going to make a poster, and my poster is "Turn the light off." I'm going to use the words down here at the bottom, and then I'm also just going to draw a picture in this section, which is what I want you to do with your writing. But I also need to do something one step further, okay? So with persuasive writing, you need to give the why. Why is it important for people to do what you're asking them to do? In mine, I'm saying turn the light off. Well, I just gave you the reason why, okay? And I'm just going to write mine up in here, but you can do yours however you want. The fan is loud, very loud, and nobody likes to hear that, okay? Another problem is waste a lot of energy. Waste energy. So those are the whys. Why should people turn the light off? Because the fan is loud and it wastes energy. Okay? So you can make your poster any way you want. You can include words, you can include pictures, but you need to think of a problem that you may have in your neighborhood or your home, and then come up with a solution. Okay? But remember, you have to include the why. Why should people do what you're asking them to do? All right, so go ahead, take some time to write and create a poster using the enclosed paper that's in your writing journal. And then when you're all done, make sure you share a picture of your writing with me today. Good work.